long, but we are addicted to our cell phone. We can't live without it, even though our ancestors did. So how important is your health? Now, then we have the cell phone towers all over the world, also leaking out radiation. We have implants. That's another story, the microchip. So how can you safely use your cell phone? How do you have your cake and eat it too? How do you have your cell phone and use it too? This is called the Healing Mandela. Do we have any of these available? Here? You brought some? Okay, there's some available here. This will permit you, I have to be careful how I word this. If you want to have your cake and eat it too, put it on top of this. Put your drug foods on top of this. This is a portal for very positive energy. I call it divine energy. And when you put your food on top of this, then positive energy is put into the food becomes charged. Your water becomes charged. You become charged. The food then, the toxic food, is less toxic. Maybe completely neutralized, depending on how long you leave it here. Well, the same object works for your cell phone. You get the small kind, or get a small version, and you tape it to the back of your cell phone. Tape it to your computer. Tape it to all your electrical appliances, and also the outlets, especially the outlets. Can everybody see this image? There's something called biogeometry. It's an ancient African science that's been rediscovered, brought to the world's attention by Dr. Ibrahim Karim. And it's lines, certain squiggly lines. This one is not squiggly, but these lines reorient our energy. It has nothing to do with belief. It's scientific. It's a technology. If you were to draw this image, or this image, that looks like 7 with a curved corner. This looks like L upside down with a curved corner. If you were to just draw this on tape, then stick it on your cell phone, it protects you from the microwaves. I know that sounds incredible. It amps your energy field. You can buy this as jewelry on t-shirts. It protects you from harmful radiation.
Both shapes are the same thing.
Yeah, they're the same. Hmm? The other way to protect yourself from microwaves and electronic pollution, of course, is the Orogone generator, the positive energy generator. We'll be making these this evening in the play shop. What do these things do? First, what is Orogone? The name given by Wilhelm Reich to the energy also known as universal life energy, life force, fifth element, ether. Orogone is the matrix of the universe. It is intelligent and even humorous. This vital energy exists in nature under different forms. What is an Orogone generator? An orgonite device that generates orgone, or positive energy. Now, how do you make this? It's just 3 things you need: metal particles, resin, and a quartz crystal. That's it. I use cut-up scrub pads that you use to scrub pots with. Metal, the kind that looks like nappy hair, the spiraling hair, Brillo pads, and the resin. Now the crystal, you get a muffin, you know those muffin pans? This came out of a muffin pan. The crystal can be as small as a sweet pea, and it will still work. Of course, if it's larger, it'll work faster, but it still works. Orogone generators protect us from the sea of extremely low frequencies, microwaves, etc., saturating our environment. Keep one with you at all times. Put them around your home, office, under your bed, top of your TV, by your computer. The personal benefits include enhanced sense of well-being, more energy, vigor. It improves relationships. There's more harmony in the household, the workplace. You can throw them around your neighborhood. It makes your neighborhood safer, reduces the crime rate. The benefits are incredible. What else can Orogone generators do that is so important? Neutralize harmful waves from microwaves, microwave towers. It actually can change polluted water into clean water when it's made in the format of a pipe like this, where it's half empty and half filled with the orgonite. You throw a few of these in a pool or a lake and it will purify the water. When you make it in a bucket with big pipes, about 7 pipes, it purifies the air. It prevents chemtrails. Does everyone know what chemtrails are? It's another thing that's poisoning us. Okay, you can also increase your car's gas mileage with these things. The information or a link to that is in the Muffin Papers. I'm going to give you a few websites where you can get these. Educate-yourself.org. Planetaryhealingproject.org. They make the most beautiful orgonite. Planetaryhealingproject.org. I want to show you all something. Can you all see this? See how beautiful this is? This is an advanced piece of orgonite. It's called, well, specifically for healing. And this is available at planetaryhealingproject.org. It has, in addition to quartz crystal, it has a combination of specific gemstones which the Native Americans in America have used for healing. Anything you put in orgonite, it will take on those properties and radiate it. 2 of these was taped on the legs of a crippled horse suffering from lamatitis. In 2 hours, the horse got up and has never limped since. It's very affordable. It's about 50 bucks, American dollars. The same person, her name is Christy, and you'll read about her in here, also made this device. Now the generators we make, they won't be this fancy. You can order these from her. This one is called a home purifier, something, it has the word home in it. But if you just remove the coil, what you would have left, she only charges about maybe $2, $2 American dollars for hers. She takes a lot of care of making them. That's planetaryhealingproject.org. There are websites here in Britain where you can order orgonite. Let me see if I can find it here. Okay, I'm going to have to turn. Give me a moment. Oh, here's a great website. OrogoneCrystals.com. Everything there is very economically